Hello. Today I wanted to share this fun website with you guys. It's called abca.com. It's a fun website that is broken down into different age groups or grade levels, and it's full of fun educational games that can let you learn, but also have fun at the same time. So the first thing we're going to do to get here is you would come up here to your address bar and you would just type in www.abcya.com. And once you get to the page, we're going to go on right here and click on pre-K. At the top of the page, it's got all the different categories, or you can scroll down and see the different games. For this one, we're going to click on the Make a House game. Let it load up here. It's going to play a little ad. We'll just look right here at the timer and watch this ad while it counts down. This is a really fun website. Like I said, if you want to come back sometime and you can learn math and letters and literacy, all kinds of activities and fun games. You can do it with your parents. You can do it at school. So much fun. So now we've got the game loading. We're going to go ahead and we're just going to click right here on the little play button. And here's our game. We will hit the play button again. Now this is going to allow us to create a house. We can create any kind of house we want. These different tabs over here on the side show us all of our different categories. So this first one is going to be the sides of our house. What do we want our house to look like, the walls. So I'm going to go ahead and go with this one. Then we'll click on this next box down below, and these are all the different roofs. I think that's a pretty cool one. Looks like a little mushroom house. The hammer tool, we can pick, maybe we're going to put a castle tower in the background, back there. Maybe we'll have a castle going on. Let's see what's next. Windows, we need a window for our house. Throw a cute little window on there. And I think the door will go on the other side, so maybe we can do a little door. Maybe we'll do a little tiny door. We'll put the door right there. And look at this, a tree with a swing. We need one of those to play on. Oh, this little guy. He looks like he belongs to this house. Maybe we'll set him out there. And then on this one, you can just pick your different backgrounds. We can be at the beach. I like the woods. And so when you're done, this is what you have. You've got this nice little setup, your little house. So I hope this is something that you try to do on your own. Have some fun, use your imagination, and be creative. All right, have a great day.